Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction with popular features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rollover protection system, running boards, headlights auto off, mirror memory. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.